Hello everyone, and I'm sorry if you can't see me, but hi, it is 2:48 in the morning, and apparently I can't sleep. But next Saturday I am leaving for the mountains, and I will take some videos. Well, not really, but and I've been trying to work with my parents to get a gaming channel and have to pay payroll money because you have to work up. So I'm like, okay. And then I just started doing my chores and I only get $1. $1 for doing probably 3 hours of chores. So, and if you hear snoring, yes, you can hear the dogs. I swear you can. And hear the dogs. You can have a boxer out there who snores like crazy. And he woke up. Oh, God. I guess to have a TV that has YouTube on it. Boom, shaka. Okay, see you guys in the next video, which will be in like 2 minutes, or whenever I want it to be. So, remember, don't be a crumb bum. If you are, try to stop being one. Peace.